Time to focus on business. Business reporter Richard Southern joining us this morning. Richard, we could soon see, hard to believe it, maps of the inside of buildings. This is very cool.
That's right, because we rely now on Apple and Google Maps so much to get around outside. And now look at this, Apple using these little tiny robots to map the inside of buildings. And analysts say this could actually be very lucrative for Apple because it would allow store owners to know exactly where you, the customer, is inside and what products you're looking at. So yeah, definitely the future there. Moving on, you probably know their commercials if you haven't bought any of their products. Sleep Country Canada, the largest mattress retailer here in Canada, is looking to go public reportedly on the Toronto stock market. It was a publicly traded company, but was taken private in 2008. It's looking to raise $100 million in an initial public offering. It's kind of tough to buy a mattress in Canada, difficult to compare prices because every store kind of has its own brands. But look at this. This is a new startup called Casper. You can order a mattress. It comes in a box on your doorstep. They're trying to disrupt the mattress industry. Their mattresses start at just above $600. All right, news from Air Canada here this morning. If you're lucky enough to travel at the front of the bus in executive class in Air Canada, you've probably been a little bit annoyed if you've landed on one of their Rouge flights. Their Rouge premium cabin, pretty identical to the economy cabin, and they've got a lot of complaints about that. But Air Canada this morning says it's going to revamp its executive class cabins on Rouge to provide more legroom, and it's going to make the overhead bins larger as well. Okay, get a load of this. You have a chance now to own a strand of music history. Sotheby's auction house is getting set to auction off a locket of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's hair. And it's expected to go, believe it or not, for more than $18,000. Real quick, the Bank of Montreal and National Bank both reporting better than expected second quarter earnings this morning, both hiking their dividends. So we're watching those stocks at the open on Bay Street. Oil moving lower, gold is down as well. I imagine Ted Henley, a lock of your hair, would go for slightly less than $18,000, right?
That lock of hair up for auction, Richard, is creepy to me. Just creepy.
I was going to get you that for your birthday, Ted.
Yeah, okay. Well, how about just a card and maybe, you know, you can get me a Tim Hortons gift card. There you go.
All right.
Thanks, Richard. That's our business reporter, Richard Southern, reporting this morning. You can hear Richard on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.